Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is going to be a spring reset vlog, and as you can see I have my iced coffee here because it's spring. It's finally spring, even though it was super cold last week. You know, March is supposed to be like the starting of spring, but it was so gloomy, so windy and dark last week that I was just motivated to film a spring reset video this week, which is very bright and sunny and such a nice weather. It just instantly puts me in a good mood when the weather outside is great. Very colorful vlog. As you can see, I'm wearing pink, this bright pink sweater, because I just want to have very springy vibes in this video, even though it's still cold outside. Like, if you check the temperature, it's like 4 degrees, 5 degrees, but at least it's sunny, and I'm honestly not complaining if it's sunny. I'm okay with the cold, but it should not be gloomy. Trying to manifest spring, that's what I'm doing wearing this sweater. I just want the spring to be here as soon as possible. I love summers. I thrive in summers as much as I hate winters, and as demotivated as I am in winters, I love summer. I love spring. I am thriving in spring and summer. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to that time of the year when I can be productive and the days are longer and I can just hustle harder. So yeah, that's what today's video is going to be about. But yeah, let's try it. Oh my god, this is so good. It is, I love it. The brown sugar oat creamer is game changer. I love it. I'm always getting that one now from Trader Joe's. So I've been doing some spring resetting since last few days, and I've been filming the bits and pieces that I have been doing throughout the weekend, I would say. So I went to Trader Joe's for some grocery shopping because I was out of everything. Like, I did not even have anything in my pantry, anything in my fridge. So I just needed a huge restock that I did, and that you will see right now. I'm gonna do a quick grocery haul. I know the lighting sucks, but I'm just gonna quickly go through everything that I have. So the first thing I got are these flowers. Obviously it's a spring reset video, so there should be flowers, and I got these ones from Trader Joe's. This is for me. This I got from my roommate because it's her birthday on Sundays. And then moving on to the food stuff, I'm gonna go through it very quickly because I know there's a lot. Let's go with the normal one. I have some onions, and then I got some strawberries. I love them for smoothies or even for my overnight oats. I got some bananas again for my smoothies, 2 limes, and then I got 1 capsicum, 3 oranges. I don't generally buy this much stuff. This is not at all normal for me, but I bought it this time because I had nothing in the fridge. Just wanted a good restock. I do this maybe once a month. Like, I go out and buy all the things that I would need. That is enough for me. And then I do like weekly grocery runs where I just buy like $30-40 worth of stuff, and this is all like $100. This is hold the cone, 8 mini ice cream cones with chocolate flavor. And I also got these Gone Berry Crazy dark chocolate covered strawberry pieces. Honestly, very excited to try these out. So moving on to yogurt, I got few different kinds of yogurt, actually a lot of yogurt. I got these Trader Joe's Greek non-fat yogurt with 0% fat, and this is coconut cream, this is blueberry and mango and strawberries, and this one is Greek yogurt apricot mango. So I got like 5. I got these fat-free refried beans. I also got these pita bread, like the whole wheat pita bread. I'm gonna make pita pockets with this. And then I also got 1 Greek low-fat yogurt. Got a lot of cheese actually. I got this double cream Gouda, crumbled feta cheese, shredded unexpected cheddar cheese, and then I got this keto Craftery spicy Greek 3-cheese spread with roasted red peppers. I heard like really good reviews about it, so I got this. And then I got this Ezekiel sprouted bread. Moving on, I also got some cilantro. I love cilantro. I got avocados. These are like the normal 4 avocados. Then I got this vegan spinach and cheese ravioli, and I got this bruschetta topping. I can use this as a pasta sauce, right? I don't think it really makes a difference. And I also got this vegan kale cashew basil pesto, which I've heard great reviews about, and I do really like pesto, so I thought I'll make some pasta dishes with this. Then I got this salad. This is the veggie green salad. It has pistachio, honey, kale and all the veggies. And then I got some snacks. This is my favorite snack: almond butter filled with pretzels, nuggets. This is the reason why I go to Trader Joe's. Peanut butter protein granola to snack on. I was really craving some good pita chips. Golden pineapple kombucha. Also, this is the reason why you should never go grocery shopping when you're hungry, because you buy a lot of stuff. These Aussie style chocolate cream sandwich cookies coated in chocolate, because I am PMSing and I know I will crave these tonight. So I just got these. And I also got vegetable chips. These are also great healthy snacks to munch on. Last, I got these organic chocolate chip granola bites. So yeah guys, this was all of my grocery haul that I had to show you guys. This is a huge grocery haul, and as I said earlier, this is something that I don't do every week, and this should last me a good 10 days or even more days, I don't know. But yeah, this should last me a pretty long time because I'm just one person and it's a lot of food to finish, so I know I won't be able to finish it anytime soon. So yeah, as you saw, I got these flowers from Trader Joe's to you know, commence the spring season, to manifest the spring season, and I'm not complaining. I just love these, and they're right beside my bedside table. So this is the first thing I see when I wake up, and it just puts me in a better mood for some reason. Love it. Love having flowers. I think I was somebody who never used to buy flowers for myself, but ever since I started receiving flowers thanks to someone, I have been liking flowers now, and I do plan on buying them. I don't want to buy them like every week or every other week, but maybe like once in few months I can go ahead and buy myself some flowers. When I bought this, I was literally thinking about the Miley Cyrus song, I Can Buy Myself Flowers. So why should I wait for somebody to get me flowers? I can just buy it for myself. And I also cleaned my room the other day. I deep cleaned everything. I cleaned my bookshelf, rearranged few things. Okay guys, so I'm back with the voiceover, and this is literally the condition of my room. It was a mess, and I have to show you the before so that I can proudly show you the after. It's not like my room is always clean. It's not in its 100% best of shape, but yeah, these things happen, and it honestly gives me so much joy to clean a messy room. I kind of get a kick out of it. So this is me just unpacking the suitcase that I had from a trip earlier, and then, you know, just cleaning the dumping ground, aka my bed. So next morning, I decided to do some more decluttering, more spring cleaning. But first, I made my coffee and had this yummy breakfast. I think it was a Sunday, so I do like to enjoy my breakfasts on Sundays in bed. And I am going to tackle this like my cabinet in the bathroom where I keep all of my products, and I'm planning to declutter it for my spring cleaning. I have gotten so much better at decluttering my beauty and all these skincare stuff. Now I used to hoard things. I used to have like so much, and I feel like now I have clearly gotten better. So this is me just removing everything so that it's clean, and I'm just going to wipe it down clean. So next is this Lazy Susan, where I store most of my skincare and hair products, and this face wash is going away because it's empty, and I'm just going through everything, looking at the expiry date of products. Like this hair protector serum was expired. It was expired in 2019, so I had to throw it away. And this mask was also pretty bad in shape, so I threw that away. And yeah, I'm just going through everything and decluttering. And this face mask is also very old, 2019 expired. Oh my god. So yeah, I did throw that away as well. I don't want to use anything which is expired. And then I'm just looking at everything I have, like just organizing everything, my sanitary napkins, and then these are some cotton balls that I use. This is like my travel pouch where I keep most of my travel skincare and face masks and all those things. And this is like my restocking bag where I have restocks of stuff and things that I don't use that often, like toothpaste and all those things. And this is my appellator, which I keep in this Sephora. And now that it's all done, this way it's way more clean and easily accessible. Okay, so moving on to the next project of the day is to switch out my winter closet with my summer closet. So I'm going to start by taking out all the winter clothes outside. It's starting to get a little warmer, and I just don't want to keep my sweaters and sweatshirts and everything outside. I still do plan to keep some of them outside because this weather is so tricky. It can get cold any time of the year. I still want to keep few things out, but I just want to give it a nice clean and just keep all my sweaters, like chunky sweaters and jackets, in a suitcase. That way it's more conveniently stored. I did not really declutter any clothing items because I have very limited clothes here. I decluttered my closet pretty well before moving to Boston, but the only thing that I wanted to declutter were my socks because I had so many socks which were missing, so I did declutter that. And then moving on to decorating part of my spring reset, I ordered a mirror for my room because I had this empty space and I was thinking about getting a mirror for so long, but it was pretty heavy, so it took me and my roommate some time to get it upstairs and set up. But I love this is how it looked like. I still have to style this area, I still have to think about it. Very happy with this. I can look at myself and I'm getting ready in the morning, which is great. The last thing that I want to show you guys for this spring cleaning or spring reset video is you actually don't need to spend a lot of money on mirrors and buying furnitures and flowers. You can just feel the spring by changing your phone cover. This is at least what I do whenever I'm bored of my phone and I want to buy a new phone, but I don't really need a new phone. I just buy a new phone cover. So that's the whole video. I'm just gonna end the video on a little segment called my spring summer bucket list. So I have been making bucket lists for a long time, but I always made it for fall and winter season because I know I need motivation. I need stuff to do in fall and winters. But this time I thought I'll make a summer spring bucket list because I'm in Boston. It's a beautiful city. There's so much to do here that I might as well use my time in summer to explore new places, go out, not think about the cold for once. So I thought of making a bucket list, and I'm gonna go through that bucket list with you guys right here. Obviously I have made it on my phone. So the first thing that I want to do is to go on a hike around Boston, like a one-day hike somewhere nearby. I know there are a lot of hikes around Boston that you can go for one day, like wake up super early, go for a hike, have nice lunch, and then be back. So So I want to do that one day, like one weekend. And then I also want to visit Isabella Stewart Garden. It's like a very famous garden in Boston. It's a very touristy place, but it's beautiful. I've seen pictures. I've heard people say it's very beautiful. I also want to go to a picnic. So I also want to go to a picnic, like take myself on a picnic date. It can be alone, it can be with someone. I haven't really thought about it, but I really want to go for a picnic, like with myself, and just sit, eat, and watch, just people watching, reading my book, and just want to go for a picnic basically. I know it's a very basic thing and you don't need a bucket list for this, but these are like very small things that can give you joy. You don't have to be like, oh, my bucket list is I want to go to Hawaii or I want to go to Italy in summer. No, it can be as small as going for a picnic or taking myself out on a picnic. So yeah, I want to do that. And I also want to go on a solo trip, like a weekend getaway. And I am going on my birthday trip, so that counts as my solo trip. And I also want to get a facial. Now I know it's not like a bucket list thing, but I've just kept it here because this is something that would definitely give me joy. So I am getting married this year, end of this year. So I thought it'll be nice to have like a facial experience before, like months before the wedding, and then I can get like another one few weeks before the wedding. So I am definitely going to try and splurge on myself this year. So I really want to get like a nice hydrofacial done, which is why this is on my bucket list. I know, again, it's not a bucket list thing, but it's just something that would give me happiness, so I'm just keeping it here. I also want to take the Freedom Trail. You can see like most of these activities are very outsidey because I'm not an outside person. I have to force myself to go out. I love being at home. So I've made this bucket list more focused on being out more. So yeah, I want to take the Freedom Trail. So that's like a very touristy thing to do in Boston. It's like a 2.5 mile walk around Boston, and it takes you through all the freedom or all the historic places that has a monumental effect on the US freedom, independence. So yeah, so this was all about my spring reset video, and I also included my bucket list in here. If you guys like it, I'm sure I'll have more things to add to the bucket list as and when I move forward in spring and summer. I would find things that are more interesting that I would like to do. But for now, I think it's enough for me to get motivated for spring, summer. That's all about the video. I hope you guys like it. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and let me know what is on your summer bucket list. Like, do you make bucket list? And do you have anything that is like very interesting for summer that you're planning on doing? It can be like something that you're planning to do. It can be visiting home. So yeah, that's all about it. I hope you guys like the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.